Hey everybody, it's Neil and I have this. It's an SG Edge and it's an outdoor long sleeve shirt with watch window. Let's see what that means. But we are gonna check this out. I'm actually wearing one of their other shirts right now, so you can see the other color that it comes in and different styles that they have as well. And so this is it here. It's a good size. It's size large that I got. And let's try it on. So I think that moves teal. I'm colorblind, so I can't really tell all the different colors, but you get the idea. And this one here looks like said on it was 100% polyester, so that's good. And so this is the one here. This one here's got those little finger holes. I guess that's what the watch part would be. Oh no, you got the finger hole here, and then look at that, a little place for the watch to go through as well. So when you're out there running in the cold, so like when I do hopefully I'm gonna do this hot chocolate run soon, so I have the ability to run with that and run with this, and then I can still keep my watch visible. That's kind of a cool idea. I'd never seen that before, but what a nice little innovation. Okay, and then so this is the shirt here. It's got a good collar. It's got a good feel and everything like that too, and it's got that moisture wicking stuff as well. It's got a good roundabout here, and look at this. Got a little pocket right here, so I can keep my card key or whatever like that for my Tesla or something like that, so I can still get back in my car when I get back to it. So pretty cool. So I like this. It's a nice shirt and fits me good. I got a large and I'm about 190 pounds, about 5'10". So gives you an idea of how it fits somebody my size. So super cool. Thumbs up.